Hi guys, this is Sujata and you're watching GrammarENG, English grammar for ESL students. In today's class, we are going to discuss about phrasal verbs. Phrasal verb for everyday life. First, we are going to deal with jumped into. What do you mean by jumped into? Jumped into means went to. Jumped into means to act immediately. If you are jumped into an action, you are acting immediately. Jumped into means to become involved in a situation very quickly. If you are involving in a situation very quickly means you are jumped into that situation. You are jumped into that action. So, jumped into means to act immediately, to act quickly. Look at the example sentence for jumped into. Shanti jumped into the shower and then dressed quickly. Shanti jumped into the shower and then dressed quickly means Shanti went to the shower and dressed quickly. Next phrasal verb we are going to deal with is to kickstart. To kickstart. To kickstart means to begin. It means to make something start to exist or happen. If you begin an action, you are to kickstart the action. Look at the example sentence for to kickstart. Every day I drink orange juice to kickstart my day. Every day I drink orange juice to kickstart my day. It means every day I begin my day with an orange juice. Look at the example sentence for the phrasal verb to kickstart. Every day I drink an orange juice to kickstart my day. It means daily I drink orange juice to begin my day. So, to kickstart means to begin or to start. Jumped into and to kickstart. Hope you liked this video. If you feel this video is informative, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.